The Redragon GC218M gaming PC case features a back-mounted design that provides ample space for cable management, ensuring a clutter-free gaming setup. With compatibility for both ITX and MATX motherboards, this case supports high-performance components, making it ideal for DIY enthusiasts. The 270-degree panoramic view through tempered glass panels offers a visually stunning showcase of your gaming rig. Optimized for thermal performance, the case includes 2 pre-installed fans and can accommodate up to 9 fans to keep your system cool. Magnetic dust filters on the top of the case make maintenance easy by reducing dust buildup while maintaining airflow. The sleek rectangular design with translucent tempered glass panels not only saves space, but also adds an elegant touch to your gaming setup.